This video is about typing a basic program, creating a disk image and storing the program on it. First we start the C64 emulation. Blue text on a blue background is a little hard to read. We switch the font color to make the text more readable. Yellow text can be switched on with the key combination Ctrl and 8. We press both buttons at the same time as we did on the old hardware keyboard. Now we have yellow text. It can be inconvenient to press two keys at the same time, so we can first press Ctrl, release and then switch to white font with the key 2. You've seen that Ctrl was active until you pressed a second key. This works the same way with the Shift and C equal keys. Let's draw a box. We type the corners with C equal and the letters A, S, Z and X. Always use C equals to type the symbol at the bottom left of a key and Shift for symbols on the bottom right. The connectors are located at the bottom right of the keys with the letters C and B, so we can type them with Shift plus C and Shift plus B. Let's type in a small basic program. Typing longer programs on the virtual keyboard is a hassle. You can connect a hardware keyboard to your device. Read more about this in the manual. You can reach the manual via the hamburger menu on the start screen. You can also use the Vice emulator on your desktop computer or laptop and copy the files you created. Vice is a great program, large parts of 8-bit wonders are based on it. If you want to learn more about BASIC, follow the link in the video description. Let's speed up things by the magic of filmmaking. Back to normal. Let's start it. Oops, an error. Fix it and run once more. One more error has to be fixed. Back to normal. Oops, an error. We fix it and run the program again. There's a second error to be fixed. Now it works. Next we create a floppy disk file and save the program. Tap the hamburger icon, then tap Create Image. We enter a name for the floppy disk. As type we leave E64, which is the type for normal C64 disks. Entering an ID is optional. We choose Create. The recent folder and a file name are preset, but we could have changed them before tapping the Save button at the bottom. We created a blank floppy disk. Now we insert it into drive 8. Drive 8 is the default floppy drive on the C64. The command save hello, 8 will save the program. Now we leave the emulation and restart it to check if everything worked. We tap the hamburger and select Open File. Now we tap on the file we created earlier. This is our disk we just created. We will insert it and load the program by typing in the load command. That worked, but was slow and inconvenient. We tap the hamburger once and open the file again. By tapping on the file name, the program will be started much faster. Okay, now you know how to use the keyboard and disk or tape images. Thanks for watching.